Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where we bring you verified global opportunities, not hype. Today's video is about Finland, one of Europe's most realistic and supportive destinations for nurses and care workers in 2026. If you're looking for visa sponsorship, government-backed recruitment, family-friendly migration, and a clear pathway to permanent residence, then Finland may be your door. Finland Section 1. Why Finland needs overseas nurses. Finland is facing a rapidly aging population, retirement of healthcare workers, severe shortages in nursing homes and hospitals, expansion of elderly and disability care services. The Finnish government has publicly acknowledged that local workers are not enough, which is why international recruitment is now a priority through 2026 and beyond. Section 2. Who can apply? You can apply if you are a registered nurse, a practical nurse, a care worker/healthcare assistant, a nurse willing to learn Finnish. Applicants are welcome from Africa, Asia, the Middle East, the UK, and other parts of Europe. Many roles start in English, with language training provided after arrival. Section 3. Basic requirements: realistic and achievable. Nursing or care qualification. Active license from home country. 1 to 2 years experience. Some care roles are flexible. Willingness to learn Finnish. A2, B1 level later. Clean criminal record. No IELTS required for many care roles. Section 4. Where nurses work in Finland. Overseas nurses are recruited into public hospitals, elderly care homes, disability care centers, community health services. Recruitment often happens through 1. Municipal employers, 2. Government-supported agencies, 3. Licensed private healthcare providers. Section 5. Salary and benefits. Salary, approximate. Nurses, 3,000 to 4,200 euros per month. Care workers, 2,300 to 3,200 euros per month. Benefits: paid annual leave, paid sick leave, work-life balance, free or subsidized language training, strong labor protection laws. Section 6. Visa and residency pathway. Finland offers a clear and legal migration route. 1. Employer issues job offer. 2. Apply for Finnish work permit. 3. Family members can join. 4. Work continuously. 5. Apply for permanent residence after 4 to 5 years. 6. Citizenship possible later. This makes Finland one of the best long-term options in Europe. Section 7. Important warnings. Do not pay agents for guaranteed jobs. Avoid fake Facebook recruiters. Always confirm employers are licensed. Language learning is required. No shortcuts. Section 8. Encouragement and close. If you are patient, prepared, and willing to grow, Finland can change your life. God does not lead without provision. Prepare yourself, take the right steps, and watch doors open. Like, share, and subscribe. Purpose Path TV Global. Guiding purpose. Empowering lives. We are using this medium to say a big thank you to all our subscribers. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. God bless you all.